Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving first challenge of our Python challenge series. It's a classic substitution puzzle. Let's first go through the challenge. We see an image giving us a clue like K replaced by M, O by Q and E by G. From this clue, we can say that the challenge is about substitution. Below that, we have given a hint saying everybody thinks twice before solving this. And below that, we have given a long string which is not making any sense in English. So it's clear that substitution should be done on this string. So first we copy this string in our file. Now there can be two ways. Either we replace K by M in the string, or we replace M by K. So it can be either forward substitution where we are replacing first character by the third character, or backward substitution where we are replacing third character by the first character. Here we are not sure about which approach will work. So we will write the code for both approaches. And if the character is not alphabet, we can simply add it. And at the end, we will return the string. Similarly, for backward approach, we just have to replace in reverse way. And now we print output for both the approaches. Forward approach and backward approach. Now, if we run this code, okay, we mistakenly assigned the new character to new st instead of appending. So we will resolve that, clear it, and rerun the code. And now we can see here that the forward approach makes more sense. Actually, it is only the one which makes any sense. That means our output would be for using forward approach. Now, if we read the forward approach, we have given. I hope. So we have given that string.maketrans should be used, and now apply on the URL. So now we check what is written in URL. URL text is map.html. That means we have to replace map with our some output. So we copy map we place txt is equal to map. Now we have given that string.maketrans should be used. String.maketrans will work in a way that it whatever characters you will give and its replacement, it will replace in the string that character with the replacement only, while leaving out the other characters as it is. So we have a, let's say a variable my table, which makes make trans cd a to z, and these are all replaced by the replacement characters, that means c to z a b. Now we will apply this trans to txt. Now if we run it again, we can see it gives us OCR. Replace the map with OCR. And if we go to this link, we have solved the challenge. As always, the clean and well documented code is in my GitHub repo, link in the description below. Hope you enjoy this challenge. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such challenging videos. I will see you in the next challenge.